We're really excited to get margin trading with leonArdo into your hands. We've completely redesigned the Funds tab and added a margin overview window. Clicking here shows your tradable balance, and double clicking allows you to transfer between accounts. Okay, let's place a margin order by choosing the order type here. To place a margin sell order, set the price in the Ask side of the order book. If you want to immediately open a short position, set the price in the Bid side of the order book. Like this here. And there's the position. Hovering the position activates a really useful visualization of its current value. Here we can see that initially the position is in the red at minus 2.34%. leonArdo allows you prepare a take profit order. Let's say you want to close the position when you make 1.4%. Everything is ready so that you can simply place the order. Let's take a look at a long position in the positive. Once again, you can see how useful leonArdo's visualization is. Oh, my gain just dropped under 2%. Let's close this position. Have fun with this, guys, and take care.